Respected Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Narayan Pathak, Respected Honorable Consultant Mr. Niranjan Bhuya, CCRT Guwahati, Respected Honorable Field Officer Mr. Shashank Kumar Pandey, CCRT Guwahati, Respected Honorable UDC Mr. Pranab Sangan, CCRT Guwahati, Respected all supporting lecturers and supporting staff and all my dear colleagues. అందరు బాగున్నారా? తెలంగాణ সবাই ভালো আছেন? তামে বাদে তুম চো ಗುಜರಾತ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರಿ? ಕನ್ನಡಿಗಾಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರಿ? আপনারা কেমন আছেন? ত্রিপুরা সাহেব কামগানি রাজস্থান. Okay. Today we have all gathered here at much awaiting validectory ceremony. Culture diversity refers to the presence of different culture groups within society, community, or organization. It includes variations in languages, traditions, costumes, beliefs, values, and social practice among the people from different states of India. Culture diversity promotes mutual respect, understanding, and acceptance, allowing people to learn from one another and appreciate different perspectives. It enriches societies by fostering creativity, innovation, a broader worldview. As far as workshop concerned, from this workshop on our culture diversity, we learn the importance of respecting and appreciating different cultures, traditions, and perspectives. We gained a deeper understanding of how diversity enriches our communities and workplaces by fostering inclusivity and collaboration. Though interactive discussions and activities, we all recognize the need to challenge stereotypes, promote equality, and build meaningful connections with people from different backgrounds. The workshop helped us develop cultural awareness, empathy, and effective communication skills, which are essential for creating a more harmonious and inclusive society. Though this workshop, we learn more about various traditional art forms including mime and movement, terracotta, solar pit work, cane and bamboo crafts, and folk painting. We explored the significance and techniques behind each of these culture expressions, understanding their historical and artistic value. The experience has deepened our appreciation for indigenous craftsmanship and performing art, allowing us to recognize their role in preserving culture, heritage, and fostering creativity. We feel truly happy and inspired after attending this workshop. It was an enriching experience that not only broadened our understanding of culture diversity but also introduced us to beautiful art from as I said, mime and movement, terracotta, solar pit work, cane and bamboo crafts, and fostering creativity. We feel truly happy and inspired after attending this workshop. It was an enriching experience that not only broadened our understanding of culture diversity but also introduced us to beautiful art from as I said, mime and movement, terracotta, solar pit work, cane and bamboo crafts, and folk painting. The hands-on activities and discussions made the learning process enjoyable and meaningful. It was a wonderful opportunity for us to connect with others, share experiences, and collaborate richness of our cultural heritage. Grateful for the change to learn and grow in such a positive and creative environment. The sessions conducted by experts were so informative, and we are promising on this platform that we will teach the same at our respective schools after going to our respective districts. We can suggest incorporating cultural diversity and traditional art forms into the curriculum through workshops, interactive sessions, and hands-on activities. Very importantly, we would like to appreciate the well-organized manner in which Mr. Shashank Kumar Pandey conducted this workshop with a smiley face and kind gestures of support. We thank you all the team of CCRT with immense gratitude. Give them a big round of applause, the entire team. I would like to conclude this speech by expressing heartfelt gratitude for arranging the Bihu culture dance performance at the end of our program. This is the last day. We really mesmerized with the performance. Really, this workshop helped us a lot. We learned a lot from the different cultures. With this, I am concluding. And myself, Jagan Mohan Reddy from Telangana. Thank you one and all.